Thanks everybody for checking in at One Night Strands Hair Studio. And this is part of our Shears Ahead workshops. And today I want to talk about color hair situations, which you're going to be running into uh, if you just started in this business or you want to get into this business, or if you're a designer that's already in this business. You're going to be running across a lot of color hair situations. And a lot of times when you're in these situations, you're going to have to be able to understand what the client's saying, be able to take what they say and put it and make it very technical in your mind, and then you're going to have to be able to see the finish before you even start working on the hair. I'm going to have some videos that I had 3 color situations with clients, and I used some different techniques that you can mix and match. You can also add, take away, and I'm going to go over each step of what I did in these videos and really help solve a lot of these color situations that you're going to run into when you get into this business or if you're already in it. Checking in at One Night Strands Hair Studio, and we're doing a technique in our Shears Ahead workshops, and this is called situation coloring. And right now you can notice that we've already built the structure of my client's haircut. She likes it really tight. She likes it really a soft fade. And now we want to enhance the haircut with color. And we want to really be able to give a beautiful fade effect. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using 2 colors. One color is going to be a 6 and one color is going to be a 4. And then we're going to fuse them colors together to make a 5. And it's just going to give it a beautiful sunrise effect. Okay, so the first step is what you need to do is to establish a separation line. And to people that don't know this, a separation line separates the right side from the left. And what you want to do is put your lightest color on first, on top. And the reason why, because you've got to think about light reflection and how light hits a structure. And you want to be systematic and work one side at a time. And this will stop you from having wasted motion. So this is the lighter 6. I am using a color that's going to target, I call it wisdom, but it's her gray. If you notice, I'm working the color in a downward motion to the perimeter of the haircut. And then I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. It's a very quick technique, but it's a very beautiful technique if it's done properly. And you really want to target her new growth. And you want to take it to a line, okay? To a line. Now once you apply the color, now you're going to have to distribute it to every hair strand in that area. So you could do a subsection, work it through, cross-check to see if you missed any gray areas. And you're still working yourself up to the separation line on each side of the head. And then you're going to repeat the process on the other side. I am using a rat tail comb because the smaller the teeth, the more easy it is to blend the color through this section. And then you're going to repeat the process on the other side, doing slight subsectioning, working towards the center separation line. working in them sections, you really want to press that color down so you can really get it through that thick layer surface. All right, so you put your top 6 color on. Now what you want to do is you're going to be coloring uphill with your darkest color, which is a 4. And you're going to outline the base, and you want to try to work your way up because her hair is real resistant and coarse, so the hair sticks straight out. So it's a little more easier to apply this color and get better coverage if you're working up towards the design line, because you want these 2 colors to connect. And you really want to be very heavy with this dark color, which is a 4, and the top is a 6. This really helps to lift that hair up so you can get underneath it too when you're going uphill with this color. Okay, so you'll have a 4, 5, 6, and you'll have a beautiful fade effect. And once you connect the colors, you want to comb through it at that line, and that will fuse the colors together. So why don't you just like me, comment, and subscribe, and check me out on the next video.